Welcome to Whole Food Meals. Today we're making pan-roasted asparagus covered in cherry tomatoes, olives and basil. It is a quick, healthy and light meal that your family is sure to love. For the ingredients, you'll need a cup of pitted Kalamata olives, 500 grams of cherry tomatoes, as much asparagus as you can fit in your frying pan. I only had about 150 grams on hand. 30 grams of fresh basil, olive oil, 3 heaped teaspoons of chopped garlic or 3 large garlic cloves. Start by chopping the cherry tomatoes in half. Be sure to rinse your cherry tomatoes. In the meantime, we can heat up our pan to temper it. Drain and rinse the pitted Kalamata olives. As the chef, you are allowed to a little chef tax on the olives. I prefer to chop the olives into thirds. This ensures that small pieces are distributed throughout the entire meal. My stainless steel pan's temperature is ready since the water is dancing on the surface. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the 3 heaped teaspoons of chopped garlic to the pan. Once the garlic turns brown, you can add the tomato mixture to the pan. And add the olives to it as well. Once the tomato starts to break down, about 5 minutes later, it is ready to be removed from the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to your now empty frying pan. The easiest way to trim your asparagus is simply by snapping it at the end and let it break off naturally where it wants to. Give the asparagus a good rinse. Place half the asparagus pointing in one direction and the other half in the other. Add 1 teaspoon of water to the pan. And close it immediately with its lid. Set a timer for 5 minutes. No peeking during this time. While the asparagus is cooking, we can start chopping our basil. Give it a good rinse. Chop the basil into as small pieces as you possibly can. We can finally look at what our asparagus looks like. It should be a bright green color. You can add a little bit more olive oil if needed. Let the asparagus cook for another 5 to 7 minutes with the lid off. You'll know it's ready when you can easily insert a knife into the thicker spear and it is nice and brown on the one side. Add a little bit of salt to your tomato and olive mixture and a lot of black pepper, depending on how spicy you like your food. Finally, we can dish up. Place some of the spears at the bottom and cover it with the tomato and olive mixture, and finally top it off with the basil. Please let me know in the comments if you made this meal. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Please consider liking and subscribing since it really helps the channel. See you again next time. Bon appetit!